Sometimes you don't need to say a word, and still, people feel you. The room shifts when you enter, not because you demand attention, but because your energy speaks before your mouth does. There's a gravity in your silence, an unspoken intensity in how you watch, listen, and wait. And for reasons they can't explain, it makes people uneasy. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because you're doing something most people never do. You're being real. We live in a world obsessed with noise. Everyone's performing, projecting, selling themselves, trying to be someone, trying to impress someone, trying to be liked, followed, approved. But you don't participate in the circus. You watch, you observe, you breathe, and you carry yourself with the kind of stillness that makes people hear their own thoughts too clearly. You see, when a person has done the inner work, when they've sat with themselves, wrestled with their own ego, looked their wounds in the eye, they begin to move differently. There's no more need to prove, no need to dominate, no need to compete. That energy, it confuses people who've built their entire identity on external validation. They look at you and feel exposed, not because you're analyzing them, but because you see them, beyond the filters, beyond the surface, beyond the games. And most people don't know what to do when someone sees the parts they've spent years hiding. Let's be honest. Authenticity is rare. Presence is rare. Silence with substance is rare. And what is rare feels dangerous to the ordinary. They'll call you mysterious. They'll say you're hard to figure out. Some will even think you're cold. But what they're really saying is this: you make me feel things I'm not ready to feel. Because your presence doesn't flatter them. It reflects them. And when a mirror is clean, people notice the dirt. You might not even be aware of this. You might be wondering why you don't fit in, why small talk drains you, why your conversations naturally go deep, why people open up to you or shut down. It's because you aren't playing by the script. You don't fake laugh. You don't force charm. You don't keep things light just to make people comfortable. You show up with your full self. And that kind of honesty, it shakes people who aren't used to feeling fully seen. You carry a kind of weight, not heaviness, depth. People sense it, even if they can't explain it. It's in your eyes, in your posture, in your pauses. They feel your attention, not the kind that waits for its turn to speak, but the kind that actually listens. And in that space, they feel naked. But don't mistake their discomfort for rejection. Don't take their reactions personally. You're not too much. You're not intimidating. You're not weird. You're just real. And real feels foreign in a world of performances. You weren't made to blend in. You weren't meant to be noise in a sea of echoes. Your presence reminds people of what they forgot. Stillness, honesty, wholeness. And that reminder, that's your power. So let them whisper. Let them shift nervously. Let them misunderstand you. Because the ones who matter, the ones who are ready, will recognize you. They'll feel at home in your silence. They'll breathe easier around your truth. They won't feel exposed. They'll feel seen. And they'll thank you for it. In a world addicted to distraction, be the one who feels like peace. In a world full of masks, be the one who sees through them with love, not judgment. And in a world where everyone's trying to be someone, be the rare presence who's simply here.
If this made you pause, if you're drawn to deeper truths and quiet strength, then you're in the right place. like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next one.